Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're removing the control center icon behavior now. First, unlock your iPhone 15 and open Settings. You'll start in Face ID and passcode because lock screen access is controlled there. Make sure you know your passcode. Once done, we'll switch to Control Center settings to stop swipes inside apps. This first step prevents accidental lock screen access. Don't skip entering your passcode when prompted. It's required to change those access controls and to make the change immediate. Now tap Face ID and passcode and authenticate using your passcode. Scroll down to allow access when locked and toggle off Control Center. This removes the Control Center icon and swipe access from the lock screen. That's why you do this first. Once that's set, make sure to return to Settings and open Control Center to prevent access within apps. By separating these two toggles, you control exactly where Control Center appears, which is the only supported method Apple provides. Finish in Settings Control Center and turn off access within apps. This prevents the swipe down from the top right from opening Control Center while you use apps. Once done, test by opening Mail or Safari and swiping. You should no longer see the Control Center icon or panel. If it still appears, restart the iPhone 15 and reconfirm both toggles. Sometimes the change needs a reboot. Remember, Apple doesn't offer a home screen icon removal. These toggles are the only supported controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.